We're at CES 2018 with Lenovo, and we're taking a look at their new 10-inch smart display. This is not a tablet replacement, this is a home hub that will basically help you control your day.
This is what the Amazon Echo Show should have been.
Absolutely.
It's much more attractive, the display is much bigger. It's also got like these big speakers in the front, so you can actually like watch videos on it and listen to music and not feel like you're being strained. The Lenovo Smart Display comes in two different models. There's a 10-inch and an 8-inch model. They both have an FHD display with a wide viewing angle. The backside even has a really neat bamboo finish, and the display can be positioned in both a vertical or horizontal position. Hey Google, good morning.
Hey, Rachel. Currently in Las Vegas, it's 62 and sunny. Today at 6 p.m., you have Teacher Parent Conference. Later, today at 8 p.m., you have Catch Up with Jane. Here's the latest news.
Will this book prove to be the downfall of Donald Trump?
So Google will even help you with recipes. Hey Google, what should I make for dinner?
Here are a few options you might like.
Hey Google, show me the roasted chicken.
Sure, here you go.
Hey Google, how do I prepare the rosemary?
Okay, playing matching video on YouTube.
To chop rosemary, first start by cleaning the leaves off the stem.
So let's say you want to know what's going on in your child's room. You've got a Nest Cam mounted in there and you want to take a look from the kitchen or from the living room. You can say, hey Google, show me the kids' room.
Sure, streaming the kids' room on Kitchen Smart Display.
Oh, the baby's doing just fine.
Hey Google, call mom.
Calling Mom Mobile.
Hi Mom.
Hello.
Hi Carly.
It's a nice evolution because, voice assistants have become so widespread, but it feels limited just having a voice assistant. Now we can actually have a face to the name. So if I ask for my agenda versus if you ask for your agenda, I will get my own agenda pulled up for me and I won't be getting your agenda pulled up, which is really, really important.
It's so awesome to me that, most of the homes that we live in are not ones that were built in the last 2 years, and I don't think anybody I know had a house that was already built with everything smart in it. We're doing this now modularly, and we're able to retrofit homes from the past with modern things that make them 21st century homes. All the things that you might have had to before walk into the room to do on your own, now you can simply tell your central hub to do it. Is it a little lazy? Maybe, but this is the future.